Hey, Clayton Bates here, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the three Shopify mistakes to avoid. Number one, broken link page on your website. Number two, your checkout. Number three, your notifications. And the main reason why you actually want to do these is because most people forget to do them, and it doesn't look professional if you forget to do this. And if you don't know who I am, I'm actually one of the only people on YouTube that was ever authenticated as a Shopify expert. And the websites I've built have processed over $200 million in revenue. So, that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, so number one is a 404 broken link page on your website. Heaps of people forget to actually check this. And basically, why would there be a broken link on your website? That's a really good question. The main reason why there'd be a broken link on your website is, let's say you add a product and it ranks on Google or you share it on social media, and then you decide to delete that product. Well, guess what? You now have a broken link on your website. So it's really important to update this page. Now, if you're in the back end of your Shopify and you go online store themes and then go into the customizer here, there's a little button at the top that says homepage. You click there and then you click down to 404 page. And basically, this is a 404 page. This is what someone will see. Sometimes these links will be broken. Sometimes people will have these like featured collections here that are empty and they look super weird. So it's really important that you come and update this page. So you could just hide this or get rid of it. This rich text, for example, you could change what it says here. So it says error 404. You could actually go here and change that. Page not found. You could change that there. You could change all the size, things like that. And then the links down here, you could actually change it where it says homepage to your homepage, and then shop all to your all sort of thing. So that's one really important thing that a lot of people forget to actually do. Now, the second thing that a lot of people forget to do is add their logo and their colors in the checkout. Now, the reason why this is super important is you don't want someone to feel weird on your website when they get to the checkout and they're about to pay with a credit card, for example, and it looks completely different. Let's just say your website's blue and white and black. They get to a checkout and there's green, no logo. It looks super weird. A fun fact, which I'll tell you as we walk through, but if you go into the customizer here and then go up to the top here, you can actually go to your checkout here. Now, like 5 years ago, someone actually did a post in the Shopify community forum asking, like, why am I not getting sales and stuff? And this guy had one of the best websites I've seen someone build themselves. And everyone was like, oh, it's this, that, whatever, right? And then basically, I said it can't be that. So I went through the whole process, got to the checkout. His whole website was black background, orange buttons, white text. They got to the checkout and it looked something like this. It was a massive disconnect between his site and the checkout. I told him to change that and he got his first 5 sales the next day. Like the power of this page, like 5 to 20% of people might leave if you don't have your logo and stuff here. And how you actually update your logo is there is a section logo, and you actually change this to your logo or drop it in here sort of thing. And then down here, you can change all the colors and stuff. So if you click here, you can put your color code here. A little ninja hack about colors and stuff, you can actually get a Chrome extension called Colorzilla, where basically you can hover over a color and it tells you the color code. So that's a little ninja hack for quickly getting your color codes. Now, the third one is email notifications. So when someone places an order, they get a shipping confirmation email, order confirmation email, and a lot of people actually forget to put their logo and their colors there, and it looks super not branded. I actually just bought something off a website making over $1 million a year, and they'd actually forgot to add their logo and their colors in their email notification thing. Now, on a business like that, is it going to make a massive difference? They've got a massive brand, but on a smaller business, it just doesn't look professional. And the smaller you are, the more you can't get away with. If you're Kylie Cosmetics or Mr. Beast or something like that, you can get away with basically murder on your website. But when you're starting out, these little things you can't get away with. So if we go settings here, and then we go notifications here, then we want to go customer notifications, and then customize email template. And this is going to take us to where our logo and our colors are and stuff. So you can actually change your logo here. So you can click here and upload your logo, for example. And then you can change the size and stuff of it here, and then you can change the color code to whatever you want to be, and then press save. So now your email is going to look a little bit more professional. It's going to have your logo, it's going to have the text, your colors and stuff here. It's a super important step to actually do this. Another little hack, if you go back to notifications, I'm just going to not save this for now. If you go back to notifications, you can actually customize all your emails and stuff here. Now, if you're making under $2,000 a month, I don't recommend you really customize these emails. Normally, once you start to scale, then it makes sense, or use Klaviyo or something like that. But don't overcomplicate things. I've made another video, which I'll leave a link somewhere where you can check out how to customize these emails if you want. But yeah, that's 3 things that a lot of people forget to add on their website. Make sure you do these on your website so you look more professional and more branded. And if you made it this far, check out my completely free school group, where basically I teach you how to build a website for free, all the little ninja stuff that I've learned, how to make money online sort of thing, and what's really important on a website. So check that link out. And if you want a free video review of your website, there'll also be a link there. You can grab that there as well. Until next time, have a good one.